here's kind of a question, kind of going along that same lines. More of an opinion type question is, what's your biggest tip about duty drawback? Is there one pitfall that you see importers, exporters make all the time if you could say, if you would have engaged us at step one, this would have been the one area we would advise you to take a look at?
Well, every drawback claim is different, but the common thread that applies to all of them is time frames. Biggest mistake I've seen made, and it's happened more than you think, is that you submit the claim and you think it's done. A lot of times customs will issue a notice to you after the fact asking for more information that you might miss, you might overlook, that you might not think is that important, and you let it sit. And then the deadline expires. Customs is taking a position in a lot of scenarios that if you don't give them the information they need within that 5 years, it's time barred. We've fought that and we've won in some scenarios, but in other scenarios we've lost. So my advice would be to just keep an eye on that deadline and be very prompt in getting customs any information they need. That's the common thread amongst all drawback claims.